Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to watch Disney Plus Hotstar in UK. Now, as you can see for me, Disney Plus Hotstar is still loading, so that means that I cannot watch it currently as of right now. Now, I am in Croatia, but if you're from UK, you can do this the same way that I will do from Croatia, so you'll be able to watch Disney Plus Hotstar in UK. Now, as you can see, there are a couple of things you need to notice, and that is you need to use a VPN in order to watch Disney Plus Hotstar in UK. Now, basically what you'll need is you'll need either a pure VPN, this is the best VPN for Disney Plus Hotstar, or you'll need to use any other VPN out there. Now, as you can see, yes, Hotstar UK in cooperation with Walt Disney has introduced a new streaming service named Disney Plus Hotstar. However, the Indian content is geo-restricted and cannot be viewed on the UK's platform. Therefore, users are required to use a reliable Hotstar VPN to unlock and access original Indian content from anywhere in the world. Now, basically, you'll just need to go and use the VPN this time around. If you want to go and watch Disney Plus Hotstar in UK, it's going to be pretty much the same if you want to do it in USA as well. But this is pretty much what I would do. I would definitely recommend Pure VPN or ExpressVPN in this case if you just want to go and watch Disney Plus Hotstar in UK. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, leave a like down below and we'll see you in the next video.